many fruit. Very fresh. Okra is a veggie and also the medicine. Now I start to arrange the bed soils to germinate the okra seed. Now I start to germinate the okra already finger seed into the bag soil. Okra seed already finger seed. Now I start to germinate. This okra seed just 3 days old. This garden soil I have dry under sunlight, and I will mix with white charcoal and dry cow manure. So now I start to mix the soil, dry charcoal. Dry cow manure. Mix together well. Now the soil is ready mixed. Now I start to prepare the bag. This is the plastic bag with good quality, and I can grow many times. Very good. The white color one. I prepare the soil into the bag. Okay, the soil at this level is okay. I will grow the lady finger or okra. I will grow the okra or lady finger into this bag, and the worm. I add the dark manure at the bottom of the soil hole. This is okra plant. I have germinated in the bag, and the old is 24 days old. So now it's time for me to transplant into the big bag. Put the soil like this firmly. And this is the second bag. One bag I grow one okra plant. insert bag here. Jack manure. Watering. Three bags here. This okra is growing in the bag here. Now the okra start to set the flower very fast here. This okra is growing in the bag. Here's my okra plant. I have grown in the plastic bag, the white plastic bag. Only one plant in the bag, and now also have the flower come out here. Yeah, here the flower. And it's time for me to add the fertilizer. I will add the dry cow dung on my okra plant. So now I start to do it. Watering. After adding the fertilizer in the okra soil bed plant, so now my okra have the fruit here, produce the fruit, 3 fruit, 4, and this 5 on the top is 3, 4, many fruit here. This beautiful flower, okra flower. This have 3 and 4, 5 on the top. I will harvest my okra today. Now I harvest my okra. Many fruit. Very fresh. Okra is a veggie and also the medicine. after harvesting I got many okra and very beautiful okra here, very fresh and green. Thank you for watching my gardening video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment in the comment box below. If you have any question related to the gardening and okra growing, I am happy to reply you for more detail. Bye, see you next video.